Today on Kemp Outside, I get to test out a brand new product that hasn't even hit the market yet. Guys, I'm checking out the Omnia Oven Pizza Oven. Check that out. I'm super excited. Guys, as of the making of this video, this hasn't been released to the public yet, but it is coming out soon. By the time you see this video, it will be out. I can't wait to try this thing. Hey guys, I'm Kevin and this is Kemp Outside. We're your inside source for all things outside. Well, my friends at Omnia Oven, or as I like to call them, my brothers from a Swedish mother, asked me if I wanted to test out and help launch their brand new pizza oven. And I was like, heck yeah. So they sent me one, guys. I've never used this thing. I've only taken it out of the box to look at it. So we're going to test it out and see how it goes. I'm sure it will be great. Whether or not I get it right on the first try or not, I don't know. But we're going to test this thing out. We're going to dial it in, and I'm going to get as good at making pizza as I am at making brownies. And guys, I'm good at making brownies. Let's see what's in the box here. All right, guys, let's open this thing up. So in the box is a little manual. And it comes in, I think, a bunch of different languages, which is cool. And let's get to the oven itself. So the oven itself is very similar to an Omnia oven in that it has a lid, and then it has this pan, right? And this pan, see, I got to figure out how this goes. It goes like that, is what you set the pizza on, right? So this little pan, this sits on the burner, this sits inside the rack, right? And that deflects the heat around the pan. The pan goes on, you take that off, and then you put the lid on. So we've got to get some pizza dough on there, and then we've got to put some pizza sauce and some pizza cheese and some pepperoni and see if we can make ourselves a little pan pizza. Here we go. All right, so the first thing is that our pizza dough comes in a rectangle. And so what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in thirds, and then I'm going to stretch it into a round circle. So we'll see if that'll work. Because basically I think we just want to put it in that pan. And I'm going to go ahead and spray the pan with some cooking spray. That way it just doesn't stick. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to try and make this as much of a circle as I can. Kind of just spreading it out. And I'm totally guessing here, right? Because I've never done this before. So it doesn't seem to want to stay in a circle all that well. But we're getting there. All right, guys, so we've made our first pizza. I could not get this to stretch this way, but I think it will expand as it bakes. So I'm going to just give this a shot and see how it goes. Let's get it going on the Omnia oven. All right, so we have our flame on. I'm going to go ahead and just set our pan centered over the burner. Yep, and I'm just going to set our rack in. That's good. Now, what I want to do is, the pizza oven didn't come with a thermometer, but I'm going to go ahead and take the thermometer off my Omnia oven and put it on the pizza oven lid so I know what the temperature is. All right, I'm going to put the pizza on. Just like that. And then with the thermometer on, we'll let it do its thing and see how it goes. All right, guys, let's take a look at this and see how it's doing. Holding right at 300 degrees. Oh, wow. Look at that. That looks pretty good. I don't know if it's done yet. Again, this is my first time trying this, so it's a total guess. I'll give it a few more minutes. All right, guys, I think it's done. Let's go ahead and open it up here. Looks pretty good. The crust is kind of golden. Let's take a peek underneath it. Yeah, that looks good. I'm going to go ahead and take it off. Check it out, guys. Cheese pizza. I did kind of, ouch, that's hot. I did kind of toast the crust on that side, but this side, man, look at that. That looks amazing. All right, now I'm going to make one for Barb. All right, guys, we're going to do a pepperoni pizza this time. We'll see how that works. I folded the dough in half to kind of stretch it out and make a square. So we'll see how that works. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so good. It turned out really well too. I am excited about this. I'm going to perfect this. I'm going to get better at this, but this is a great first effort. Now I got to figure out what kind of pizza toppings I want to bring with me when I go camping. So that's a new problem and a good problem. Maybe some diced ham, some meatballs, bacon, all kinds of things go on pizza, but meats, no veggies. Anyway, guys, I think this was a successful first test. We're going to see how Barb's pepperoni pizza comes out, and then we'll close out the video. All right, guys, we got the pizza oven here. Let me just pull the lid off and check to see how this is coming. Oh, it's coming along. Not done yet, though, but it is so good. We'll let that bake, and I'll get back to eating my pizza. So this is the last piece of my first Omnia Oven pizza, and I got it a little overdone on the bottom, but not bad at all for my first attempt. I'm going to get this dialed in, and we're going to be eating pizza while camping on a regular basis without ordering out. I'm super excited about that. This is really good. So by the time this video goes live, guys, the Omnia Oven Pizza Oven will be released to the public. So I'm going to put a link below to where you can pick one up. Guys, I highly recommend it. These things are terrific. And of course, if you don't have a regular Omnia Oven, check out what I made for breakfast this morning. Yeah, cinnamon rolls. Guys, the Omnia Oven changes the way you eat when you camp, making everybody a whole lot happier. I'm going to get back to cooking, and then we're going to see what the evening brings. All right, guys, that looks amazing. I think it's done. We're going to pull it off, and Barb is going to get her pepperoni pizza. Well, guys, as it's getting dark here, I want to finish out the video, but I have to say that our first test with the Omnia Pizza Oven was awesome. Really, really good. I'm going to perfect it, as I said before. I'm going to figure out how to stretch the dough a little bit better, or maybe buy different dough. Maybe there's round dough I can find that would work better than the square dough. But either way, it comes out really well, and it's really, really good. So I've got 2 more to make. One's in right now, and I got 1 more, and we're going to have an awesome dinner as the sun sets here. We're at Ferncliff State Park in Southern Illinois, which is an awesome place to eat pizza. Guys, if you have any questions about the Omnia Oven or the Omnia Pizza Oven, drop some in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Or you can connect with me at my other social media. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X, or my website at KempOutside.com. I want to thank Eric and Gustav from Omnia Oven for sending this to me to be able to test it out. I love being a part of this product launch. So thanks, guys. You have a winner. This is awesome. All I got to do is perfect those pizzas like I perfected my brownies. It's going to be really good. Guys, thanks for watching. We will see you outside.